buenas. Aquí les traigo un look bien sencillo cuando estás empurada. You know, when you have to just go, go, go. So here I am about to apply my foundation. It is a Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 by MAC in the shade NW40.
Sorry, she a little crusty. That's why I couldn't say the name right off the bat.
Everywhere on my face, not too much. So here I'm about to go in with my foundation brush. I'm not exactly too sure where it's from as I got it for a gift. So guys, I know my eyebrows look a little crazy, but they will be fixed by the end of the video. Don't mind them. So as you can tell, I dab my foundation into my skin rather than brushing it in. And then I also go around my eyebrows with whatever's left over and on my eyelid.
Okay ladies, I know a lot of you tend to forget, but don't forget to get your 2 chins. You want to have 2 chains, not 2 chins. So get it and blend it.
So you just want to get your final touches in blending in your foundation and just blend, 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 blend. Make sure everything's even. Also, I did my eyebrows prior to the video, so if you guys would like a video on that, you can let me know. Okay, so here I'm about to go in with the contour kit by Anastasia. It is the cream contour kit. I believe it is the medium. And I'm about to go in with the color cream, as it is a natural look. I will apply that all under my eye in a patting motion, as you will see. So don't be scared if you need to go in and add a little bit more. So as I was saying, yeah, don't be scared to go back in and add a little bit more if you need to. It is a natural look, so sometimes I usually just put 2 layers. Just depends how long you're gonna be out, where you're going, what you're doing. Okay ladies, so while highlighting, please don't forget to do your nose, and basically the T-zone is what I like to do, and I like to highlight. So I kind of highlight and conceal at the same time when doing a natural look, because I don't like my face to feel too cakey. So now moving on to the next step in the process. Vamos a cocinar un poco de pan. So you're gonna go ahead and get your beauty blender. Doesn't matter what it looks like, what you use, I don't know. That's the one I like to use, and I go in with the Airspun translucent powder. It's just whatever I had in hand, what I grabbed that first. Also, I do wet my beauty blender before using it. I like the finish it adds to when I'm setting my powder and setting my face. Ey, no se burlan de mí, se me trabaron los ojos. Again guys, while adding the translucent powder, I like to dab it in rather than brush it on. I feel like it lasts longer and it really does set your concealer very well. So now that I have set my face with my translucent powder, I'm now gonna bake with it. And I'll just leave that on a little longer while I finish the rest of my makeup look. So don't forget to get your you know, make your líneas under your cheekbones to make it look like you're not gordita, you know, that you got some shape to you. Let that bake for a little bit. ¿Qué pedo? Se me olvidó lo que estaba haciendo. Yes, I remember. So, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty. It's one of the bronzers in the shade Alentane. I absolutely love it. I use it as a bronzer and a little bit of a contour at the same time. I also go in with the Kat Von D Duo brush. I use one end to brush off the translucent powder, and I used the other side to contour. So now, using the other side of my brush, voy a brochar todos los malos espíritus fuera, Santanas. Yes, putita, look, we coming to life. What? So here you're just gonna go in with whichever fluffy brush you have. I'm going to contour my nose with this brush. It is a Royal and Langnickel brush. It is the SMI shader in BMD 415. I absolutely love this brush to contour your nose. Honestly, guys, this brush is also bomb ass while cleaning up your concealer around your eyebrows. I would highly recommend using this brush. Don't forget to get underneath your chin again. Even with the powder, set that bitch in, hide her. 2 chins where? Finally, but not least, we're gonna go in with some highlighter. My highlighter is by Too Faced. It is the Candlelight Glow. Yeah, it's the duo powder. It kind of broke. It's a little crusty. I know. Don't judge. But yeah, I really like her. She's very subtle, very natural, not too much, but she's still shining, you know? So something that I like to personally do, just to brighten up the look a little bit more, look more alive, is I will grab the highlighter that I was using for that look, and I'll put it in my inner eye just to make me look more awake, more alive, more fresh. So the last thing I will be doing is going in with my QUO Lip Boost Plumping Gloss in the shade Sweetheart. I apply that bad girl, and that's basically the finish to my look. She's natural, you know, gives you a little boost in the plumping. And that is the final look, ladies and gentlemen. I know a lot of you may be asking, well, where's the mascara? Well, girl, she natural. That is it, you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hope to see you again.